It is time for some Louise Hay inspired self-love, self-worthiness, and just kind of reminding ourselves that we're worthy to receive, we're ready to receive, and that we are inherently deserving of all of the things that we hope to receive. So over the course of the next 15 minutes or so, we are going to be using EFT to release, reprogram, and remember that you are worthy, you're deserving, and you are meant to enjoy this life. So my name is Dalton, and EFT tapping pretty much saved my life, and I'm just trying to teach other people how to use it to be, do, and have anything that they want. If you could like, subscribe, comment, share, all the things, it helps me, it helps the channel, it helps me get this in front of people who could use it. And as always, we're going to be tapping or starting on the karate chop point, the side of the hand, and only tap on things that feel safe, correct, that resonate with you. If that's not the case, ignore them, repeat a previous affirmation, or insert one of your own. All right, so we're going to begin here and just repeat after me. Even though I've questioned my worth in the past, I deeply honor, love, and accept myself. Even though I've struggled to receive and believe I deserve more, I deeply honor, love, and accept myself. Even though part of me still feels nervous to fully claim abundance, I deeply honor, love, and accept myself. You take a deep breath in and let it go. And we'll move on to round 2, starting at the top of the head. So just repeat after me. I've spent years believing I wasn't quite enough. I've hesitated to ask, to receive, and to expand. I feared being too much or not enough. I didn't always trust that I could hold abundance. There's been a fear of judgment, of failure, of loss. Even now, part of me wants to shrink a little. But I know those beliefs are not part of my truth. And I now release every thought that said I wasn't worthy or deserving. It's possible that I truly am worthy of more. I don't have to settle, hide, or justify. My desires are valid and my heart is open. I am ready to welcome what I used to resist. I am learning how to let good things in. I'm allowed to feel wealthy, safe, and supported. Abundance doesn't overwhelm me, it expands me. I'm showing up for myself in a whole new way. I am wealthy in every way that matters. I am deeply worthy of love, money, and joy. I allow life to bless me abundantly. I am a clear channel for receiving all that supports me. I speak, act, and live from fullness. I welcome money, support, and miracles with open arms. My worth is unquestionable, unwavering, and untouchable. I expand into more, and it feels natural to me. I am wealthy, worthy, and ready to receive. I am open, grateful, and grounded in abundance. I receive money, joy, and love with ease and grace. I no longer hold back. I allow it all in. I live as someone who honors their value every day. The universe supports me in visible and invisible ways. This is who I am now, rich in worth and rich in wealth. And I walk boldly into this next chapter, fully ready. I welcome this new reality with gratitude, grace, and excitement. So if you'd like to take another deep breath and let it go. We'll start with self-havening for our final affirmation and just repeat after me. I am wealthy, I am worthy, and I am ready to receive. I am wealthy, I am worthy, and I am ready to receive. I am wealthy, I am worthy, I am ready to receive. And there we go. I hope you feel a little bit more calm, a little bit more centered, maybe a little bit more in your body. But for this whole block and for so many other things in your life, this belief of worthiness and deservingness and whether or not you have to earn that is such an important building block to life in general, that it's important that we really spend a lot of time on it. And it's one of the core wounds or beliefs that pretty much everything that you are not enjoying in your life comes back to on a subconscious level. But after this, we've got 2 more scripts for this block of the 12 block program. Tomorrow will be the emotional integration day, and then the day after that will be the identity integration. And then we'll be moving on to the 4th block. And if you've made it this far, I'm proud of you, and you should be very proud of yourself. So thanks for following along with me. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow.